Women of color say the courts have never served their communities. Roe versus Wade. More after this. Hello everyone and welcome back to AFG's Point of View, where I give you my analysis of the most popular topics in the world today. Today's video, we have a video on minorities and Roe versus Wade and how the White House, Supreme Court, and all the parties to be have never served these women justly. Before I dive into the video, the details of the video, if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to AFG's Point of View. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well. It'll bring more perspective people, more awesome people over similar to yourself. All my normal subscribers, thanks for coming back. I'm diving in. Civil and reproductive rights groups say the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe versus Wade is yet another attack on communities of color, which we leave millions of black and brown women without access to abortion care. Since the ruling became public Friday, leaders of black, Latino, Asian American, and Native American groups have condemned the court's decision. Their communities will be among the hardest hit by abortion restrictions, leaders say, due to a myriad of issues, including existing health care access, disparities, financial hardship, and a long history of criminalization. We are not surprised. The courts have never served our community. Once again, the Supreme Court has gone against the will of the people. Their comments came as protests erupted across the country in several states prepared to quickly implement their abortion triggers laws created to ban abortion if Roe versus Wade fell. In many states, black and Latino women receive abortions at higher rates than white women, according to the Center of Disease and Control Prevention, which collects data from state health agencies. Overturning Roe versus Wade underscores the economic hardships and maternal health crisis black and brown women face, with many advocates saying forced pregnancies will not only worsen their outcomes. For example, black women are 3 times more than likely white women to die of pregnancy-related complications. Let me read that again. Black women are 3 times more likely than white women to die of pregnancy-related complications. Abortion rights leaders also worry poor black and Latino women will have no money to travel out of state for an abortion, and I totally agree. And it goes a little further on, but what I want to offer is some hard facts on this Roe versus Wade, and I'm going to give you my opinion on this. So we have 13 states that have the laws on their books to either ban abortion immediately or will soon do so. Abortion bans in Arkansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Missouri, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Utah, Alabama went into effect immediately. The laws make performing an abortion a felony punishable by years-long prison sentences. They do not make exceptions for rape or incest. They do not make exceptions for rape or incest. They do not make exceptions for rape or incest. You're probably asking yourself, why did I say that 3 times? Because I had to read it 3 times to make sure I heard what I was saying. It makes no damn sense. Okay? Now, anyone who performs an abortion in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Oklahoma faces 10 years in prison, unless the procedure is done to save a life of the pregnant mother. Arkansas and Louisiana also make exceptions for physicians to end ectopic pregnancies or treat miscarriages. Okay, in case the people in the back don't know what ectopic pregnancies is, it's when the eggs is outside of the uterus. They need to be inside the uterus to live. When they're outside the uterus, they can't live, and they can do further damage to the mother. So they'll allow those, in a miscarriage when the woman loses her baby. So now in Missouri, anyone who performs an abortion will face up to 15 years in jail, unless the procedure is done in case of a medical emergency. 15 years in jail. That's more than a gun charge. Is that what we're doing in America these days? Amazing. And other people out here in other countries are sitting there looking, watching what we're doing. Okay? They're dying to get to America because America is the land of the free. You know what I'm saying? But slowly but surely, they want to make this the land of the in prison. They don't want nobody to be free. In Kentucky, anyone who performs an abortion will face up to 5 years in prison. The law makes the exception to save the life of the pregnant mother or procedures by a physician that results in unintentional end of pregnancy. And then they have the other states that's starting to come aboard. Now they also have this thing called the abortion pill. Now, if your state, which I've mentioned, bans abortions, you can't take the abortion pill either. Now, what I will say is this. If you are pregnant, I hate to say this, and you can't get, an abortion, you may have to go to another state. You got to do what you got to do. Extreme situations calls for extreme measures. All right? So I'm not telling you what to do and how to do it, but I'm just saying you really need to get that child out of there, because, and the reason why I say it like that is because what if that woman got raped? You know what I'm saying? Beat up and raped. You know what I'm saying? And now you're telling me that it's okay for her to go have that child, and if someone performs a rape in Missouri, you're getting 15 years. You know what I'm saying? Or somewhere in Arkansas or Alabama, you know what I'm saying, 10 years. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, what kind of society are we running here? What are we doing? I mean, what, are we trying to just really not help our women out? I mean, it's crazy. I'm pro-choice over here. Like I said, if you're a woman, you should have every right to do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of those guys that's going to say, well, you shouldn't have. No. Because first of all, as a man, I don't know what a woman goes through, okay? I don't know the emotions that they go through, the physical drain that they go through, or anything like that. I just salute the women because I see them going through a lot, you know what I'm saying? And, I don't think I'd be able to handle it. That's probably why God made me a man, you know what I'm saying? So, I salute the women. But it's just like, you got these people out here, these legislators, and these people in the high courts, and they want to come out and they want to, impose their will on something. Well, what's the whole point behind that? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get it. I'm really kind of baffled to why they would ban abortions. It's like, oh, you're killing the kid. Well, what if the situation deemed them to be, in an abusive relationship or even incest? You know what I'm saying? I mean, we know people out there creating, having, incest. In case the people in the back of the room that don't understand what incest is, it's when a brother and a sister have sex. Biological brother and a biological sister. Okay? It could be a cousin. It could be a nephew and an aunt. It could be a mom and a son. You know what I'm saying? It could be a dad and a daughter. Things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Your biological family. You know what I'm saying? So that's what incest is. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't be doing nothing like that. So, but in case you do something like that, they telling you don't have the right to the abortion. Now, in that instance, I mean, you make your bed, you lay in it. You know what I'm saying? As a rape or somebody beating you up and physically doing harm to you, abusing you, and forcing themselves on you, you know what I'm saying, and then impregnate you, yeah, I think every chance you get, you should be able to, get that off and get that child out of there, because it's like, it's just not fair to them, because they're being taken advantage of and no one has their back. No one has their back. And like the story said when I was reading earlier, that it's targeting a lot of Latino women, a lot of black women. We don't have, the resources to be able to go, fly out and do all that kind of stuff, So what I encourage them to do is they have companies out here like Disney, like Netflix, like Amazon, some of these major corporations is actually offering women money to be able to go fly out, go to a state that allows you to get an abortion, get the abortion, recover, and then come back, and they'll pay for the whole thing. Some companies are offering $4,000, some companies are offering up to $10,000. You know what I mean? So they've done that with cancer treatments and so forth and so on. So it's a benefit that some companies have, and some of us should take advantage of. So, ladies, I'm with you. Y'all need to fight. Fight. I'm gonna sign every petition I can. you know, attend any rally I need to, do what I need to do to make sure that, you know, women have rights. Now over here in Pennsylvania, they're undecided. You know what I'm saying? I'm in Pennsylvania, so they're undecided. So we don't really have a lot of fighting going on, but I will sign any petition, you know what I mean, to help any woman out that can help them, you know, further get their rights back, because it's just not right. It's just flat out not right. I don't care what nobody say. Fellas, we need to back these women. We need to back these women and help them out, and, you know, allow them to get back to being who they are. You know what I'm saying? So prayers up for America. Prayers up for America. I'll tell you, we need it. With that being said, if you like what you heard, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that like button as well. It'll bring more people over, more prospective people over, and shake up this algorithm and get more people over here at AG's POV. Join the conversation. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got a lot of things going on over here, a lot of big things coming. You know, we got way more people coming in, so let's be cordial, let's be loving, let's be, you know, fair to each other, and let's get ready to have fun with this thing, because and make some change in this world today. So with that being said, check me out on my social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, Twitter, you name it, wherever I'm at, you see me, holler at me, you know, subscribe, like, share this, and like the video. All right, I love every single one of y'all. I also want to let you guys know, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, okay, I get my numbers, my 1,000 subs, my 4,000 watch hours, I'll be doing a giveaway, and one lucky individual will be able to win $100 from me. All right, I'll cash app you the money, simple as that, done. All right, this is what I do for my subscribers. So I love every single one of y'all. I thank y'all for coming out. Share the video. Let's get these likes up. Let's get these subscribers in, and let's get this giveaway going. I love every single one of y'all. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.